Hey, I'm Sam Tether with the El Camino Union. As a part of being a student here at El Camino, we are all required to pay a $19 health fee per semester. Now you're probably wondering what that health fee covers. That's why we're here today at the Health Center. Let's see if we can go in and talk to someone about what services they provide. We sat down with Coordinator of Student Health Services, Debbie Conover, to see what a regular checkup is like at the Health Center. She informed us about the services available to students, such as an STD clinic, free flu vaccines, chiropractic services, and 6 free psychological evaluations.
Nice blood pressure, 100/70. That's a good, healthy blood pressure.
Sounds good.
Now, do you ever have a chance? So you're exercising, you're working out, you're getting enough sleep.
Yeah.
All those good kind of things. Well, that's good. I know that you were inquiring some also about other services that we offer here, because I think you're doing something for the paper or whatever. So I just also want to mention that we offer free, like I mentioned, free workshops on anxiety, stress, positive psychology, depression. You know, a lot of our students, I'm not saying it's you, but a lot of our students here have history of, feeling depressed, feeling suicidal. So I want them to know this is a place they can come, a safe place. They're entitled to 6 free one-on-one, 1-hour sessions with the clinical psychologist. Everything that happens in here, I think students need to know, is confidential.
We spoke with the students to find out how well informed they were about the services offered at the Health Center.
I think it covers therapy, right? Like you could talk to somebody if you're like in trouble, right? No?
Well, it basically...
Say, aren't you so glad you came in for your blood pressure? What I want to tell you.
Who knew that $19 actually came to use?
Well, in the fall also, I think it's important for students to know, since your general college student doesn't get enough sleep, doesn't exercise, their dietary habits suck, for lack of a better word, and they're stressed. We do offer, and their immune systems get compromised. We do offer every fall, as part of that $19, some of what that money's going towards, free flu vaccine in the fall. So students should look for that, and we get it pretty early. Pretty much we get it as soon as the health center's up when we come back in the fall.
Now, is that walk-in or?
Yeah, that's walk-in.
Okay.
We'll announce it, and last year, in the fall, we did about 600 plus free flu vaccines. And you don't get the flu from the flu shot, because it's not a live vaccine. But it does take about 2 weeks to build up an immunity. So it's a good thing. And just general, good, healthy habits. So I just wanted to pass that on to you, since I had a captive audience that, wanted to hear what we do in here.
Okay, thank you.
All right, it was really nice to meet you. Thanks for taking the time to interview us in the Health Center.
In case if you're wondering, these are the hours for the Health Center. They do not provide services for non-enrolled students or children of enrolled students. They actually have a STD clinic on Tuesdays and scheduled appointments only on Thursdays. On a final note, the $19 health fee is much more than just registering for classes. Have yourself checked out and put that money into good use. Regardless if you have health care coverage, wouldn't it be more convenient for you to drop in at the Health Center than to travel to your local hospital? Not to mention, more cost effective. I'm Sam Tedla with the El Camino Union.